Okay, let's get it, y'all. Y'all see what's on the screen. Man. We got the infamous Nature Boy, the Three God, what else he called himself? All these different names he called himself. If you're not aware of who Nature Boy is doing life in prison for multitude of different things, but one of the things was grape on one of his practitioners, if they want to call it, if that's what they call it, or cult members, if you want to call it. They saying that he was a cult leader. Now I used to follow, not follow in the sense of like I thought he was God or anything like that. I used to follow his page. I used to always watch everything that it came to him, Young Pharaoh, oh my God, what's the other guy name that's doing time now? Brother Polite, all those guys, Tazariak, anybody that was in that so-called black conscious or whatever case, baby. It was a time where it was like for like 5 years, it was a group of these different guys that just came out and they was claiming to be this and claiming to be that and all this other stuff about like black leadership and all these different things. But anyway, this is Nature Boy's first live that I've seen since he's been in prison. He's been in prison maybe about 3 years now, maybe about 4 years now. And man, look at how dark his eyes is. Like, I didn't do that. Like, his eyes look devilish as hell, man. I always thought this dude was weird and retarded, man. And to see how these people followed him. If y'all want, there's a guy named oh my God, I can't remember the name of this channel, but there's a documentary. There's like a long form documentary, like 30 parts that this guy put out about everything Nature Boy. And I seen most of the stuff I've seen before, but it was some stuff that he posted in there. And if you've never seen it, you definitely want to go look it up. Just go look up Nature Boy and you'll see. I'm so mad that I can't remember this guy's name because he did a very, very excellent job on capturing all of the videos and getting like, I'm talking about hours upon hours upon hours upon hours upon hours. And it's not easy to do that. Like, I was doing one earlier, some story that I'm working on right now. So he's in his prison cell, which is crazy because even the guard knocks on the door at some point and he's in there. Okay. He's just chilling in his cell with his cell phone, like talking on Bigo Live. I've never been on Bigo Live, but I heard it's something to be on. And he started like talking about like his time in the cell and what he be doing. And I remember him saying multitude of times, because that's what he claimed himself, that he was God. And now he's claiming that there's some new entity that's God, and he's not God. At least that's what I'm going. So let's watch a little bit of this live. It was like damn near 2 hours long. I didn't go through the whole 2 hours. I skimmed through some of it. I watched a good hour of it. Don't get me wrong. But then I just started skimming through the rest of it because he's a little cuckoo. And, you know, he's really on there for the women. That's why he got his shirt off and all this other stuff. He's singing and to the camera and all of that. But I want y'all to really listen to what he's saying about this entity that he's praising now.
Anasar, thank you. Hey, listen, you guys can't give me too much on this page because I gotta get somebody gotta make me a host. I need to be a host.
You can hear the prisoners in the back.
What? So now that you connect to God inside yourself, God, when you know what God taught me? When I found God in myself, I found her.
We thought you were God.
I was hearing this song. It was in the dark. It was like boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. It was a song playing in my head. I'm like, the fuck? It's in the middle of the night. It's dark. And this is the first time I talked to God. It was the Eminem song. I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you.
Complete goofball.
I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm leaving. I'm like, why is this song in my head?
That's the devil. That wasn't God.
I'm sorry, mama. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to make you cry, but tonight I'm cleaning out my closet. And it was the night that I was going to purge and just cry so fucking hard.
Like, he hasn't changed at all.
cry so
and
hard
giving him this phone.
and purify and just cry. I didn't know what was going on. I was just in a fucked up situation. And I was like, God, why are you doing this? What the fuck is wrong? What did I do? I would never harm a woman. I would never rape a woman. Why are you doing this to me? And then I just started crying so hard, bro. I just broke down. I broke open. My heart broke open. I just couldn't stop crying.
Yeah, because you knew it was over.
And that song was playing.
Even if you didn't do it, you get punished for everything else you did. That's what I believe. Just be honest.
That night, I had a dream. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you the rest after prayer. Let's do it.
Yo, the way he be, this the way
I know,
it's
I'm on
creepy.
it. I see. Trust me, I'm on it. I be like, where God is like, the way you treat yourself is about. God is about self-love, because God lives in you. So the way you treat yourself,
You thought you was God.
That's where love starts. I love myself.
Look, he's still doing that. Priest reflection.
So
if anybody say priest reflection, just know it came from him. You are your reflection, all of that. Yeah, that came from him.
I like to go like this when I do mine, and my back is crossed. From the side, it looks like this.
So he's pretty much starting his cult over.
Just like that.
He's preaching to people in so many words of how they should pray. This is a new way for him to start a new cult. Think about that. And they already sending him money. He ain't even got nobody to accept the money, but he's already had people sending him money on his first live already. And all he has to do is just do one of these a day. If you do one of these a day for 30 minutes, he good.
Okay? It's like a baby. So, right here. Our mother, Lucia Isis. That's what I call her, Lucia Isis. That's what I call her, Lucia.
Fucking cool.
We come unto you as you in gratitude. We acknowledge the oneness that we are so grateful to be a part of. I have perfect health, abundance, and wealth because I love myself. I forgive myself. I'm grateful and thankful for what I already have. I'm gonna say it one more time. This is the prayer. Our mother, our great-grandmother, Lucia Isis, we come unto you as you
just made up a name.
Gratitude.
Just made up a name.
We acknowledge the oneness that we are so grateful to be a part of. I have perfect health, abundance, and wealth because I love myself.
Just made up a god, yo.
I forgive
He's
myself,
never gonna change. He should be in the mental institution.
I'm thankful for what I already have. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Mama Lucia Isis. Boom, that's it. Boom, that's the prayer, right? That's the magic. Y'all got it. You did good. That's it. That's the magic right there, baby. You say that prayer, you gonna start looking.
You're going
good.
to hell if you say that. You're praying to a demon.
When you connect to God and you, she starts giving you thoughts because your thoughts come from God. I didn't know my thoughts come from God. I was like, wait a minute. You mean I'm not thinking? I'm listening. When you're thinking, you're not thinking. You're listening to your thoughts. You think that you're thinking, but you're listening to your thoughts.
You think that you're thinking, but you...
Just take your time and you'll see that you're not thinking. That's why you tell people, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. I can't even hear myself think because you're listening to your thoughts. God is sending you thoughts.
Can't stand
All
this
the
nigga,
thoughts
man.
that you have, the narrative that you play in your head, God is sending you those thoughts. And I didn't even know that. She's like, yeah. So she starts sending me these thoughts.
I didn't even
of just
know
clarity.
that. He's like,
Just
yeah.
clarity. You know, like, work out. Why you clean up? Pick yourself up. I would tell the thought in my head, what do I need to clean up for? I'm done. I'm nothing. Nobody likes me. Nobody likes me.
Because of you.
And she said, I like
because
you.
of you. Because of you. I hate that fucking, I don't even know what the word to even call that. When people victimize, that's the word. They victimize themselves and like, oh, I don't even know why. You know exactly why. You caused all this shit.
You mean you like me? I myself. I'm like, why are you saying that? What is that? I do like myself though.
That's the issue.
You like yourself?
You like that
Nobody
fucked up
likes
person.
Me. Do you like yourself? Damn, that's a good ass question. Yo, it quit my thoughts. Like, nigga, do you like yourself? I'm like, do I?
You're not even on drugs. This
like,
is
you
just
give
him.
yourself to everybody else, but do you ever give yourself to you? I was like, oh my God.
Clown.
I cannot believe that. Clown. It was like,
this is an immature
you give yourself to and it's so crazy because we all do this. We give ourselves to other people. We give people the love that we have. We give that to other people. We try to find someone to give our love to, but we never give it to ourselves. And it's like, yo, you be giving your love to everybody else, baby. She told me,
I don't trust no man that has a bridge like he was sucking his thumb his whole life. That's a pet peeve of mine. I don't trust no woman that look like they've been sucking their thumb their whole life. That's immature shit. That is nasty, disgusting. We put our hands on everything. And I got a belief that he was a thumb sucker. Thumb suckers are fucking disgusting.
When she said, do you love yourself?
And they usually be dirty.
And I said, yeah, I do. She was like, if you love yourself, then take care of yourself. No matter if everybody don't want to take care of you, if they don't want to love you, if they don't want to accept you as you are, start with you. You'll take care of you. You acting like one of them. I'm like, oh shit, she right. Yo, let me get up and work out real quick, yo. Let me get up and do some damn jumping jacks and shit. Let me get up and goddamn have some fun and shit. You feel me? Cause I was like, yo, you right. I was giving myself to these people 24/7 online. I'm telling these people all I'm giving them. She said, baby, you wore yourself out.
You wasn't giving them nothing. You was doing it because you wanted to.
Did the same thing.
Because you needed to.
Like, you are starved.
You needed to be online that entire time when you was out because that was your way of making money. That was your way of recruiting. That was your way of manipulating. You have a high. You get a high off of other people following you. Most people do. That's just what social media has become. Even me doing this right now, I don't give a fuck if y'all looking at me or not. I just care if y'all look at the video. You ain't got to look at me. Look at the video that we watching. I care about if y'all care about the commentary and all of that stuff like that. But no, we're all in this for some sort of attention at some point. But he went overboard with his attention. Point blank. There's nothing wrong with wanting attention. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. That's human nature. It's when you crave it and when you demand it and when you would do things that are immoral or degrade people just for your gain. Most of these people, especially people like him, and it's a sign that he is. If y'all can find out his sign, and I ain't even gonna put it out there. They are extremely in need of social media attention. They need that dopamine. They need people to come over to them and be like, oh, I just want the like button or notification. They need that shit over anybody else. They will sacrifice you, the person closest to you, for that clout from social media. I promise you that. They will go on social media and fake for social media the entire time and make everybody else think that this is some different shit when the whole time behind closed door they can give a fuck about you. But online, they showing everybody, oh yeah, I can't. No. This is who he is. He don't give a fuck about nobody but himself. If you go back and you watch, I wish y'all was around at the time that he was around outside on these streets.
And y'all burnt out, but y'all had fun. And you're gonna recuperate in silence and in solitude. Anyway, we'll talk more about that later.
We got no choice.
Let's do our breaths.
He must have got his room a cell to himself.
Okay.
Wherever he at. Pretty clean though. I give him that. 'Cause I usually don't see a clean cell like that.
Another thing she taught me was breath work. Okay. I would panic a lot in these rooms, in these cells. Okay, thank you so much for the gifts, guys. I would panic a lot because I was trapped in the room. So I'd be like, I want to get out of here. I want to get out of here. Just get claustrophobic. The walls closing in on me. I'm like, ah. And she's like, she put a song in my head. 1 into the 2, 2 into the 3. Then you gotta, breathe.
What?
And then you gotta breathe. If you from New York, you know what I'm talking about. 1 into the 2, 2 into the 3.
I know Fabulous like, don't you ever use my song.
That song. She's like, I sent the song to Fabulous. I'm like, because remember, Fabulous is getting thoughts. So all the songs that's written, all the cool shit that you know about God, is putting it into the world. And I'm like, yo, you dope as hell, mama. Mama is so cool, y'all. God is cool as fuck, bro.
Yeah, he
1 into the 2, 2 into the 3, 3 into the 4.
Yo,
then
I can't, bro. I can't.
So I was like, take a breath, breathe. Okay, breathe.
Okay, we're gonna end it there because he's an idiot. He would never take accountability for anything whatsoever. What brought him there, what put him there, what got him there, what's keeping him there. He would never. He's accepted his fate long as he has a phone to communicate with y'all. As long as he can communicate from that cell, he don't give a shit. He would stay in that cell forever. He would never leave that cell probably if he could just be online all day. Point blank. There's people that are addicted to being on live. I could do these what you call it, blindly, and y'all just hear my voice. But I think that's cowardly for me to be making reactions to people and not show my face. It's a lot of people that do it. There's only one channel that I follow that does that. Everybody else I think is corny, and I think they cowardly for not doing that. When you don't show your face. Show your face when you're commenting. Yeah, even when you comment, all of that. Like, I think it's corny when people comment and they got these bogus pages and all this other stuff, and they got these dither pages. Like, yeah, I'm not with all that corniness. But anyway, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the tick and the blick if you wasn't hitting it the whole time, because you should have been hitting the whole time. Because while you ain't hit it the whole time, you should have been going in, like, follow me on my social medias. On my social media, you should have been like, comment, subscribe the whole time. Because make sure that you don't hit like, comment, subscribe. You better make sure, because if you don't hit it last time, you make sure.